Hello again, it's Noob, and this is a pretty cool Euro cylinder actually. It's a 3-star British standard, as you can see here, Euro cylinder. You can see there's all sorts of things going on here in this lock. This is a GreenteQ Orion. So if you ever see a lock with a Q on it, it doesn't start with Q as a brand, it ends with a Q. So this is GreenteQ. And this Orion is a 6-pin lock with 5 extra pins at the top. Now, I've seen a video of a couple of people picking these, and there seems to be an impression that these top pins can be active, but that isn't my experience. I think that they're passive key control pins to give the keys so they can operate a lot more sort of differs in terms of how many different types of bitting are allowable in this key system, and it aids in controlling key duplication, those kind of things. But I don't think that these are active pins. Another giveaway is that there's only 2 cut depths for these pins here, which can be an indication. Now, I think we should be able to cut this. Now, there's an interior side and an exterior side. The exterior side does have these extra pins. The interior side, despite having this like little cover, doesn't actually have any top pins at all. So when you pick this lock, pick the exterior side for that extra challenge, I guess. Yeah, you can see it says EXT there for exterior, so it's that long side. But I'm thinking we should be able to pick this. I can remove the top pins out of the top here, which is really nice, which means I should be able to use a front follower, to get the other pins out. So that's what I'm hoping I'll be able to do. So tools of choice, I've got a flat turning tool here, which will just go on the right hand side. I'll turn the core of the lock towards me, so that's anti-clockwise. I'm using a flat flag because I can pick off the left hand side of the lock here. And if you were a locksmith and you need to open it a different way, you could use a plug spinner or pick from the right hand side and turn it clockwise if you wish. But this is just the way that I found best suits my picking style. So that's pin 4 just touched there, pin 1 is set, that's pin 5 there I think, and that's pin 6 at the back. All give me little clicks. So 1 feels good, 2 feels okay, nothing. Oh, just touch 3 into a full set. 4 feels good, 5 now feels alright, and just test 6. Okay, good. So let's go back to pin 1. I set that earlier, so that's fine. 2 feels a bit springy still. 3, ooh, really nice click there. 4 felt fine. Nothing on 5, just click on 6 there. Try and get onto pin 4. Feel that's giving some counter rotation, but I'll just go back to the front. It's easier to count that way. So pin 1 feels good. Pin 2 feels alright. Pin 3, I think we've definitely set. Pin 4. Oh, nice, into a really nice deep falset there. Let's go back to 3, just test 3, pin 3, come on. There we go. I think that's fine. That's not counter rotation, that's oversetting. Just test 5 there, that felt okay. Because this is pin 5 just there, and it feels set. I think 6. I think 6 is set too, because it's giving me counter rotation, but I think that's like overset counter rotation. I don't think that's real, if that makes any sense. Four might be giving me some counter rotation here. 3 3 just gave me a little bit more. 2 gave me a little counter rotation. Just check 1, so 1 feels fine. Angle that up so get past 2. 2 feels good. I'm pretty certain I can't set 3 any. Oh, I just touched 3, and I must be something on 3 that I hadn't set, because we do have the open. Look at this. So we do have the open, and here we go. You see, that's the open. Now this is important for the gutting, so I'm hoping I'll be able to gut this without too much problem. But I'm not holding out because my luck with these things is not great. So the first thing to do is just try and take off that circlip. I want this to remain picked. So I'm going to try and hold one part still while I try and take off this circlip over here. Which I think we've got. Now I'll just get some flat pliers. Pull that circlip off. There, got it. Now, that's one part done. And, oh no, I have locked this back up by accident. That's a pain in the butt. Can I hand pick it? I didn't mean to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, okay. Ah, we've got it again. Right, so we have picked it now. Again! Things I do, right? Now, you can take this cover off, which is good to do. I just need some kind of tool to do that. And this is a pain to do, so bear with me. You've got to sort of take both sides of this little plastic bit and sort of pry it out, and that isn't easy to do. There we go. There we go. Right, so I don't want to mangle this. Keep my finger under there, or something flat. Where's that tool? Where's the tool? There we go. Keep that under there, and then I'll gently pull these tabs in from the side. If I damage this, I can actually take it off the other side. There we go. And what you'll see in here is, let's get that. These are those little side pins. And these are really strange because in pin positions 1, 2, 3, and 4 there, they have these little spool pins like this, which are sprung, and that is really strange. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you can somehow, I think, remove the little cups which let's see if I can do that. I swear these come out. How did I get them out before? I swear I got them out somehow. Maybe it was yeah, here with a pick. There you go. So that's this little cup, and that is the pin. There you go, which it sits in like a little cup. And I don't know about these other ones, but I'll just get out the ones I can get out, and then I'll try and take the other ones out. Come on. 2, to, well, that's, there you go, those ones. Then I'll see if I can, yep, those other ones do come out, and these ones are just a normal like barrel pin. And then I'll tap the other one out. Don't turn it too far, there we go. Come on, don't be shy. It really just wants to keep turning around as I... can I use the cam? No, okay, let's do that. These little pins are an absolute nightmare too. Tweezers, let's see if I can grab it with tweezers. That was coming out. It's just... come on, come on, come on. Hold it with my finger, maybe. Ah, easy said and done. Why won't you come out? Oh, this lock's going to be the death of me, I can tell. I just want that pin to come out. Just one. Come on. Aha! Aha, aha. I can see it now. Can I grab it? Oh, I almost had it. Got him, got him. Wow, what a pain. Right, so that's those ones done. Now, what I need to do is probably try to... I need to get this around the other side. So I might need to put this back on and hope that the pins don't come back around. Let's have a look, actually. Let's turn it slowly. That should be okay. Back round there. And then to the... Ah, yeah. That's going to be a pain because you can see that the key pins here may pop out. So I might need to just turn it... Okay, we got away with that quite nicely. Let's see whether I can get the front follower on. Will that be enough? Yeah, it should be enough. Can I use a bigger one? Feel a bit more secure with that. Should be okay. Now, can we now retract the plug? No is the answer. After all that, I can't seem to pull the plug out. I'll try a different retainer and try to just... Come on. No. So I've removed the circlip, but somehow this is locked in. I think that it's these pins here are literally grabbing the plug from this side. So I don't think I'll be able to gut it, unfortunately. So all of that, I'm sorry for teasing you, but I don't think I'll be able to pull the plug out. I literally can't get this out. So I'm going up to where the holes are and pulling. But it seems to be, you see, solidly in there. So yeah, that's as far as we can get, I'm afraid, with the gutting. But there you go. These are those very strange top pins. So these are, I guess, passive, and then these ones might be active, but I didn't need to pick them all the way to the top or anything. And I'm not entirely sure how they'd work anyway. I think they're just anti-bump. I think that's all they do. They have a spool in, but I don't think they do anything. So yeah, I'd say these are probably passive side pins. Sorry we can't gut this lock any further. I did try, but that's sometimes just the way it goes. But yeah, I'll try and piece it back together. If you like this video and all this lock, please hit that like. If you have any comments about it, know anything more about how to gut this than I do, then please let me know in the comments below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more content like this, subscribe and hit that notification bell. It really helps me out, so I really appreciate it. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.